this morning with the sun in my eyes. Hear the people cry and see the truth in the skies. Chains of the past can't hold down my mind. Every heart in the struggle is a treasure we find. Babylon a try fi tell we fi bow, but I work in your light. Hear me now. Freedom of the song we chant in the street. Every drum beat a revolution's heartbeat. Mountains may crumble, rivers may bend, but the spirit of the people will never end. Raise up your hands, sing the song of the brave. From Kingston to Trenchtown, we no longer a slave. Live it is strong, righteousness guide. We no hide in a fear, we stride with pride. Every ghetto child have the right to shine. Every man and woman claim them divine.
Morning dew kiss the field so green. We fight for love, we fight for the dream. Every little hope is a spark in the night. Together we march, together we guide.
Lion of Judah guide we path. No more oppression, no more rob. Smoke of freedom rise to the sky. We chant your word till Babylon die.
Purity and love, we raise it high. No more tears, no more lies. Reggae sound of the battle cry. From the hills to the rivers we testify.
Every voice a drum, every foot a beat. The rhythm of justice move our feet. No more hunger, no more pain. We sing the freedom, sunshine after rain.
Rastafari teach, keep your mind pure. Lift up the people, make them future secure. In every song, in every rhyme, truth and justice conquer time.
Sing the song of liberation, loud and free. One heart, one love, one destiny. No chain, no wall, no chain can bind. The spirit of the people, the power of the mind.
Rastafari teach me the ancient way. Guide with mind, guide with soul every day. Babylon crumble, oppression fall. Every righteous man and man hear Jah call.
With the drum beat strong and the bass line deep, we sow the seeds that the children reap. Sing the song of freedom, let the melody ring. Every voice join, let the chorus sing.
No more slavery, no more chains. Every heart awake from all the pains. Unity a weapon, love a shield. With Jah guidance, Babylon must yield.
Every street a drum, every foot a beat. Reggae rhythm move with feet so sweet. No hunger, no sorrow, only hope remain. Sunshine over darkness, sunshine after rain.
Every eye a witness, every heart a flame. Together we march, together we play. Lift up your hands, feel the power within. Every man, every woman ready to begin.
Truth and justice, the foundation we lay. Through the night and the darkness, light are the way. Every child a sword, every word a flame. We break the system, we change the game.
Sing loud, sing proud, let the world hear. Every voice in a chorus, every soul sincere. No chain, no wall can ever bind. The spirit of the people, the power of the mind.
From the hills to valleys, rivers to sea. Freedom of the song, forever we be free. Sing the song of liberation, name. Every we march, to be ready to free.
Reggae breeze, whisper secrets of the past. But the strength of the people always lasts. Every tear a blessing, every cry a prayer. Jah protection cover we everywhere.
One nation rising, one love stand tall. Together we conquer, together we call. Babylon a tremble when we unite. Every wrong exposed to the righteous light.
Lion a roar, fire ablaze. Every wicked plan fail in a Jah way. One love, one people, one destiny. Reggae
Righteous